What's going on, everybody? We got another hard reset for you. Today we are going to do a Vortex J24. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I will show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you do delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's definitely going to get deleted. And lastly, guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, you have a ton more of these hard resets coming up. And also, if you want to see anything special that we don't have up yet, just drop a comment and we'll try to get that up for you sooner than later. Otherwise, let's jump into this. The first thing we want to do is make sure the phone's off. And in this case it is. You can either pull the battery or use the power button and turn it off. But you have your volume up, volume down, and power buttons right there. And what we want to do is hold volume down and power at the same time. So I'm going to start holding volume down, then hold power. This portion does take a second because it's sometimes the phone's is programmed to think that maybe you're pushing this in your pocket, so it doesn't want to actually load to the recovery mode by mistake. So it's going to take a second, but as soon as you see the Vortex logo, you can let go of power, but keep holding volume down. I usually let the Vortex logo show up for a couple seconds before I let go, just my rule of thumb. But you get the no command screen, and to get out of this, we want to hold power and tap volume up and then let go of both buttons relatively quickly. So I'm going to hold power and then tap volume up and then let go. And then from here, we want to use the volume buttons to scroll, power button to select, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Hit the power button to confirm, confirm it again. Now it's deleting, and as soon as it's done, you can either reboot or power off, and in this case, I'm just going to power it off. But if you do reboot it, it will just load to the welcome screen, and you can set the phone up like it was when you first got it. If you guys found this helpful, if you could like, share, comment, all that wonderful stuff, we'd definitely appreciate it. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.